Hello everyone, this is Jivesh and I am participating in Murf Coding Challenge 5, which is conducted by Murf AI. In this, we need to build voice-first solutions to solve real-world problems. So, in this, what I thought is when I was going through the market, everyone is doing marketing. And the productivity is in such a way that everyone is using humans for the marketing and sales purpose. And for my idea, what I thought is we can build an AI agent, phone AI agent, which can do marketing for startups and companies. And at the same time, the same agent with different configurations can be used in real estate firms so that what happens in real estate and all is leads will be generated from a lot of sources. So this is also another source of lead generation and also qualification where a set of users can be called and now they will be stored. Okay, this person is very interested in buying a house in that particular location. So if this problem can be done by the help of AI agents, then it will be very fast and efficient in the terms of cost and in the terms of time as well. So I have built one AI agent which is voice flow AI for now, and I have used Murf API and GPT-4o from Azure OpenAI. So this will solve the problem which is faced by startups, and as their sales team is working on this. So what they can do is they can use the our phone AI agent and integrate into their systems so that they will be very they will be getting efficient sales and all. If it works for them, then there are two chances for this. It cannot do the increase the sales, or it is going to increase the sales in exponential way. So these are the two chances over here because the marketing will be done in a very right manner. And also the one more factor here is if we are talking to an AI agent, then no one is going to believe it. But for that, Murf AI is providing very efficient and very good voices which feels like very natural native speakers. So that is the efficient and benefit of using Murf AI. So what we are doing here is this is the idea which we are working on, and this is the tech stack which we are working on. Our backend is relying on FastAPI, and also I forgot to mention that whatever the phone calls and phones are getting given to the users, now that is happening because of Twilio. So we are using Twilio services for it, and it provides $15 credits for free for new users. So I have utilized that only. So our backend is relying on Fast API, and for AI and all, we have used Azure OpenAI, and also our Murf AI API key is there. To use it efficiently, what we have done is we are using WebSockets for the Murf API so that we can we can reduce the latency as much as possible. And then we have telephony. We are using Twilio, as I already told you. And for now, what we are doing is we are storing the details of the users in our local system, and front end is based on like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript based. So what is happening right now is we are going, like I will explain the three flows over here. So what is happening over here is we are going to the dashboard. For now it's open. So we are going to the dashboard, and now we have option to choose. Okay, which one we are willing to use right now. For first option, we have B2B sales. Like if we want to go with the sales, I'm talking about the admin for now because we are going to initiate the calls right for now. Because if we talk about the future, we'll come on to that point as well. But right now, we are initiating the calls. Then agent is going to take care of that. After the second option is our real estate one. So what is happening over here is when a person or a user is coming to the dashboard, they have the option, okay, which one to choose. They will choose the one and then go and fill the details. And after that, for now, the admin, sorry, I mentioned user, admin will come and it will give the details. And then phone will be initiated. And then it is going to initiate the phone to the user. Then user has to pick the call. Now, as soon as user will pick the call, the agent is going to have the conversation with the user, and on depending on that, we are going to store the details of the user, in the form of like if they are very interested in that, if they are not interested in that. So in that form, we are going to insert the data. So that is how it works. For now, what is happening with the system is we are using Twilio and FastAPI and HTML CSS based system, right? So when we run the system from Azure OpenAI, so our Murf AI is giving the response very fast. But the thing is, for if we need to convert to or connect to the ngrok, not ngrok, if we need to connect to Twilio, then we need a third party platform called ngrok. So we need to use ngrok for this, so that like for example, we need to use webhooks in this. So for that we need to use ngrok. So because of that also we are getting little latency in this. So if we like sum this up, we are getting some latency in getting the response from the agent. For now we can reduce this as soon as like as we go ahead, but right now we are getting little bit of latency. So this is about the system. Now this is the architecture. You can just look at it. User interface is there, then our backend is there. These are the core services. This is HTML CSS base, I told you. This is FastAPI, I told you. And these are the core services, AI and all. We are storing the data in the local system for now. And these are the voice services. And for external, we are using, as I told you, Azure OpenAI, Twilio, and Murf AI. And also, after the call, we are going to store the details over here in the local system. And one mail, depending on the call, will be going to the user. For example, I am interested in some flats near Gachibowli. Then one email will come like recommended flats and all. That type of email I am going to receive from the agent. So that is also happening. And also in the future plans we are thinking to include the CRM from Salesforce and all, so that we can use it efficiently and the users will be treated very efficiently. So that the next is the data persistence layer, the call history and all. We are trying to maintain it so that it is very helpful for us to like deal with the clients. So these are the performance metrics, key features, and that's all. So I will show you where you can find this repo, and let's go for the implementation part so that you can see what is going on for now. So let's run our system. So, and if you are watching my videos like earlier also, then you will know that I use UV for my Python package manager and also to run the files, as it is faster than the traditional way. So I use always UV. So we are starting the server over here. And also, as I told you, it is not going to handle it directly. We need ngrok. So you can see now it is starting. It has started now, and our server has also started. Now we will see the output. Let's see how is it. So this is the localhost 8000. You can see over here also. This is running on localhost 8000. You can see over here it is running on localhost 8000. These are the things which I have mentioned to check if they are getting connected or not. So let's see. This is the dashboard where the admin is going to come, and like for now I have maintained it like that because this is a different thing and this is a different thing. They are going to use like their leads and all from different sources, and they are going to use their leads from the different sources. For now, let us choose this B2B sales one. And now we are having like two options here. For now we are working on this only. Next, in the future plans, we are going to use that. So as you can see, after we make the calls and all, we can just click here. For now I have maintained in this way so that we know that okay, this is how we are going to store uh, the data of the user. So this is how we are thinking. So let me give here one email. So I have given one email, and company is optional. If you don't give the email, then it is going to uh, it is not going to allow you. If you just see here, so we need to give the email, as we mentioned that the email is going to be given from sent from agent to the user. So I will just click here, call me now. So now you can see here the logs, and I will receive a call. So let me just check. Okay, I received a call. You can check over here. So I will put it on speaker and just try to hear it.
You have a trial account. You can remove this message at any time by upgrading to a full account. Press any key to execute your code.
Jitesh,
मैं शान हूँ मर्फ एआई से। आपका वॉइस कंटेंट प्रोडक्शन 80% फास्ट कर सकता हूँ। 2 मिनट है।
जी बिल्कुल, मेरे पास 2 मिनट है।
धन्यवाद जितेश जी। मर्फ एआई के साथ आप अपने ई लर्निंग कोर्सेज, मार्केटिंग कंटेंट या ऑडियो बुक्स के लिए नेचुरल और प्रोफेशनल वॉइसेस क्रिएट कर सकते हैं। सिर्फ 1 मिनट बाद आपको किस तरह की वॉइस चाहिए, फ्रेंडली, अथॉरिटेटिव या कुछ और?
आई नीड फ्रेंडली वॉइस।
हितेश जी, मर्फ एआई के साथ आपको एक फ्रेंडली और नेचुरल साउंडिंग वॉइस मिलती है जो आपके प्रोजेक्ट के लिए परफेक्ट है। क्या आप ई लर्निंग, ऑडियो बुक्स या मार्केटिंग के लिए वॉइस चाहते हैं? मेकमिन के अफोर्डेबल प्राइसिंग में हाई क्वालिटी ऑप्शंस प्रोवाइड करते हैं।
Actually, I need in audiobooks only.
बिल्कुल दिपेश जी, मर्फ एआई के साथ आप प्रोफेशनली सिंथेसाइज ऑडियो बुक इजीली क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, वह भी 1 मिनट में। आपको किस तरह की वॉइस चाहिए, मेल, ईमेल या स्पेसिफिक टोन? हमें बताइए, हम आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से परफेक्ट सोल्यूशन देंगे।
मुझे मेल ऑडियो चाहिए और मुझे मर्फी क्यों लेना चाहिए।
बिल्कुल जितेश, मर्फ एआई से आपको मेल जैसी नेचुरल और प्रोफेशनल ऑडियो इसलिए मिल सकती है। ये 1 मिनट के अफोर्डेबल प्राइसिंग पर आता है और ई लर्निंग, मार्केटिंग या ऑडियो बुक जैसे यूज केसेस के लिए परफेक्ट है। आपको किस तरह की वॉइस चाहिए, बताइए, मैं हेल्प करता हूँ।
एक्चुअली मुझे एक कॉल आ रहा है, मैं आपसे बाद में बात करता हूँ, मैं थोड़ा बिजी हूँ।
बिल्कुल जितेश, कोई बात नहीं। एक प्लीज भी अपना कॉल ले लीजिए। वैसे जब आप फ्री हो, मुझे बताएं कि आपकी वॉइस रिलेटेड नीड क्या है, लाइक ई लर्निंग के लिए या मार्केटिंग के लिए। मर्फ एआई का 1 मंथ प्राइसिंग बहुत अफोर्डेबल है और आपको नेचुरल और प्रोफेशनल क्वालिटी वॉइसेस मिलेंगी। मैं वेट करूंगा आपके रिस्पॉन्स का।
थैंक यू। So this is how our sales agent is performing. So what we are trying to do is the sales guy is going to tell about the things which are related to the company. For now, we have given that it is going to perform for Murf AI. So it is trying to give me like Murf AI related things, and it is trying to sell that product. And it is also telling that why we should take the Murf AI. The future of this can be like we are going to have details of the company so that it can be like more efficient for this. We can build a rack pipeline for this so that it will be very efficient and fast. As I told you that it should be sending one email, so we will check the email as well. And so let me just check our email if it came. So yeah, just now we have received email. You can check over here. So these are the things it has mentioned. So this is a demo type of thing. We need to enhance furthermore, but yeah, you can check over here. So we need to work on this, but yeah, right now the functionality is working fine. So we need to go for the next one, which is our real estate one. So what it is going to do is, as I already told you, that leads will be generated from a lot of sources, and if one human is going to call each and every one, it is going to take a lot of time and a lot of money, as well as they need to pay the humans. So what we can do is agents are going to perform the similar task, and the best part of this is language is not going to be one barrier into it, so that they can just communicate in whatever the language they want to communicate in. So that is how the language is not going to be a barrier. So here we have mentioned like English and Hindi. Here we have talked in Hindi. So let's try English over here. And also currently Murph is also providing the Telugu voices and Marathi voices and all. So soon we are going to test it out that as well. So here you can check out our email address. We will give the same one. So if I hit this, then again one call will be coming from their end. So for now, one more important thing which I want to tell you is, if this product is getting like into a very efficient way, now if the latency gets decreased, then this is going to be very helpful for all the startups first, and also the real estate firms, so that they can convert their customers efficiently. So let me just put here. So it is going to call me. So let me just check if I received a call. You can check I received a call now. So I'll just put it on speaker again. Just try to hear it.
You have a trial account. You can remove this message at any time by upgrading to a full account. Press any key to execute your code. Hello, Jitesh. This is Priya from JK Ventures. I'm calling about some premium properties we have in Gachibowli and Hitech City, Hyderabad. Do you have 2 minutes to talk?
Sure, I have 2 minutes to talk.
Thank you, Jitesh. We have excellent RERA approved 2BHK and 3BHK options in Gachibowli and Hitech City, starting from rupees 60L. Could you share your preferred budget or location to help us shortlist the best options for you?
Yeah, my preferred location is high tech city and 50 lakhs is my budget.
Hi, Jitesh. Thank you for sharing your preference. Currently, in the high-tech city area, we have 2BHK options starting from rupees 60L. Could you let me know if you're open to slightly increasing your budget or exploring nearby areas like Gachibowli?
Actually, I'm getting a call. I will just call you back later.
Sure, Jitesh. Please feel free to call me back at your convenience. Meanwhile, let me know your preferred location, Gachibowli or Hitech City, and your budget range, so I can suggest the best 2BHK or 3BHK options for you.
So you can see it has cut the call, and this is how it is performing right now. So now when email is going to come, for now, like we don't have the access to the like what are the locations which are available. So right now one simple mail is going to come, but the thing is, if they implement and integrate this into their farm, then it is going to be very helpful. So let's check. So this type of email is coming for now. So you can see I have not mentioned the budget and all. So it has given this, and I told that I am busy. So here it is not qualifying me for the next follow-ups and also, and also it is giving some preferred locations. So this is how we are going to go with this, and this is the project which I am working on currently. So right now what is happening with the system is when we are using the free tier of Twilio, then you can notice, right, that at the starting one voice is coming. So that is happening because of Twilio's free tier. If we move to premium tier, then directly our app is going to start. But right now, as we are on the Twilio's free tier, then Twilio is going to give the initial voice from Twilio that we are on the free tier. Then after that, if we click on the first digit or the key, then after that our project will start. So that is right now one drawback. And one more thing is I could have given the link for you so that you can use it, but right now I don't have that much of Twilio credits so that I can give it to you. So that is why I have not deployed and given it to you, so that like my credits will be saved. That is the only reason why I have done that. And if you want, you can just come over here. This is the profile where you can just come and see this repo. You will find here voice flow, and do check it out. And if you have any suggestions, then you can just put it into the comment section. If you are watching it on LinkedIn, then just check out my YouTube channel. And if you are watching on YouTube, then just check out my LinkedIn post and just like it. If you like it, then just let me know your thoughts on this so that I can work furthermore on this, because this is not just one application or project. This is going to be one product which is like needed for the startups and real estate firms. We can easily integrate into their systems, and it is going to perform really well for them so that they can get benefited of this. That's all for now. Uh, Bye bye, and we'll meet soon with another idea.